Hello my student of class 10th. In previous video we discussed the condition. Now in this video we will discuss the questions, more questions based on that condition. So let's discuss. And question is x minus 5y plus 5 is to 0 and 2x plus 10y plus 10 equals to 0. ये हमें इक्वेशन दी हुई है और हमें डिस्कस करना है कि इस सिस्टम के रिगार्डिंग आंसर आएगा या नहीं आएगा, मींस कंडीशन यहाँ पे कौन सी फिट बैठेगी हमें चेक करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनकी आप कंपेयर कर लीजिए. जो फर्स्ट है उसकी आप कंपेयर कीजिए a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इक्वल टू 0 से. जो सेकंड है उसकी आप कंपेयर कीजिए a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 इक्वल टू 0 से. और यहां से फिर हम निकालेंगे a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 और c2 की वैल्यू. From the first equation, a1 is 1, b1 is minus 5 and c1 is 5. From the second equation, a2 is 2, b2 is 10 and c2 is 10. So after finding these 6 values, we calculate 3 ratios, a1 upon a2, then b1 upon b2, then c1 upon c2. हम निकालेंगे फटाफट इन 3 रेशियो की वैल्यू. सो a1 upon a2 will be 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 will be minus 5 upon 10 and c1 upon c2 is 5 upon 10. Clear? So in this way we can observe here the value of a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 2, but value of b1 upon b2 is minus 1 upon 2. So both are not equal to each other. So we have to write down, we observe that a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. This implies system is consistent. First, second is we have unique solution. We have unique solution. And third, which is last, lines are intersecting line. Lines are intersecting line. Clear? So we have to write down these 3 lines after observing the situation. And as you can see on the screen that in the situation of a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, we have to write down these 3 lines. First is system is consistent, second is we have unique solution, and third is line are intersecting. So to check out that system is consistent or inconsistent, lines are intersecting or not intersecting, answer is unique or not, we have to go through for the condition. So process is very simple. First of all, make right hand side part 0 of each and every equation. आपको जो 2 इक्वेशन दी जाएंगी सबसे पहले उनका राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट आप 0 कर लेंगे. राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट में जो भी अमाउंट है, जो भी वैल्यूज को आप ट्रांसफर करेंगे राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ. जब ट्रांसफर करेंगे आप राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ तो उसके बाद ही कंपेयर कर सकते हैं आप उनकी स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन के साथ. बेसिकली वी हैव 2 स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट इज a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Clear? After the comparing these two equations, we have to find out the value of these 6 a1 b1 c1 from the first, a2 b2 c2 from the second. Here a1 b1 a2 b2, these are the coefficient of x and y variable into both equations. After finding these 6 values of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, find the value of a1 upon a2, then b1 upon b2, then c1 upon c2. After finding the value of these three ratio, you have to check out that which condition is going on, which condition is followed by the question. क्वेश्चन में कौन सी कंडीशन यूज हो रही है आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे चेक किया कि भाई a1 अपॉन a2 और b1 अपॉन b2 अपने आप में इक्वल नहीं है, तो जब वो इक्वल नहीं है तो मैंने ये बात यहाँ पे लिख भी दी. ऐसे आप लिखेंगे. उसके बाद ये 3 लाइंस 3 स्टेटमेंट आप लिखेंगे. चलिए क्वेश्चन और लेके चलते हैं यहाँ पे. और क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास में x प्लस 2y प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0, 5x प्लस 10y प्लस 25 इक्वल्स टू 0. So first of all, compare the given equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and second with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. हमें जो दो इक्वेशन दी गई हैं उसमें से जो पहली इक्वेशन है उसकी कंपेयर करेंगे आप a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 से. जो दूसरी इक्वेशन है उसकी आप कंपेयर करेंगे a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 से. और मेन पर्पस यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना है कि हमें a1 a2 b1 और b2 c1 और c2 मिल जाए. a1 b1 c1 from the first equation which is 1 to 5 and from the second equation 5 10 2, 5 10 2. After finding these 6 values, find the value of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 5, b1 upon b2 is 2 upon 10, c1 upon c2 is 5 by 2. Sorry, 25 आएगा. तो यहां पे आप देख सकते हैं कि वैल्यू ऑफ a1 अपॉन a2, b1 अपॉन b2, c1 अपॉन c2 सब अपने आप में इक्वल है. मींस a1 अपॉन a2 इक्वल्स टू b1 अपॉन b2 इक्वल्स टू c1 अपॉन c2. वैल्यूज ऑफ these three ratios are equal to each other. This implies क्या होता है इस केस में, लाइंस आर कोइंसिडेंट. तो लिखना पड़ेगा lines are coincident. This is first. Second, system is consistent. Why? Because whenever lines are coincident means they overlap to each other, so they will intersect to each other at an infinite point. And whenever these are cutting to each other at an infinite point, so we have an infinite solution. Clear? And third is we have infinite solution. Clear? So इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. चलिए और क्वेश्चन लेके चलते हैं फटाफट. क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास में 2x plus 10y minus 6 equals to 0 minus x plus 5y plus 10 equals to 0। ये मेरे पास में क्वेश्चन है। तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे आप इन दोनों इक्वेशन की कंपेयर करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड लीनियर इक्वेशन के साथ, which is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0। कंपेयर करने का जो मेन मोटिव है वो सिर्फ ये है कि जिससे हमें a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 की वैल्यू मिल सके। क्लियर? सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन a1 is 2, b1 is 10 and c1 is minus 6. From the second equation, a2 is minus 1, b2 is 5 and c2 is 10. After finding the values of these, we have to find the value of three ratios, and ratios are a1 upon a2, then b1 upon b2, and last one is c1 upon c2. So a1 upon a2 is 2 upon minus 1, which will be minus 2. b1 upon b2, 10 upon 5 will be 2. c1 upon c2 minus 6 upon 10. So here we observe that a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 both are not equal to each other, because a1 upon a2 is minus 2 but b1 upon b2 is positive 2. So we observe that a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, and whenever this condition is satisfied to an equation, then we have to write down the three statements, in which first statement is lines are intersecting line, second is we have unique solution, clear, and third is lines are intersecting lines, lines are intersecting lines. So three statement is lines are intersecting line, we have unique solution, and system is inconsistent. System is consistent. Consistent means, what is the meaning of consistent? Consistent means we have a solution. Whenever we have a solution, solution may be unique and may be infinite. So whenever solution is achieved in the question, or we have a certain solution, then system is automatically consistent. Remember it always. Clear? So today we discuss in this video condition by which you can check out that system is consistent or not consistent, lines are intersecting or not intersecting, answer is unique or not. So basically we can check out these three statements in the question by using the condition, and the condition is very simple. First of all, you have to go for the comparing. You have to compare the given system with the standard linear equation, which is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. After the comparing, find the value of these 6 quantities, means a1, b1, c1 from the first equation and a2, b2, c2 from the second equation. Here a1, b1 as well as a2, b2 is the coefficient of x and y variable, and c1 and c2 is a constant part, because you know very well a value is free from the variable is always said to be a constant value. Clear? So after finding these 6 values, you have to go for the 3 ratios. A1 upon A2, then B1 upon B2, then C1 upon C2. After finding the values of these 3 ratios, you should observe these 3 ratios. Any one condition out of 3 conditions will be applied in that question, and then announce that system is consistent or inconsistent, lines are intersecting or not intersecting, answer is unique or not. Clear? So you can announce these statement after the observing the values of 3 ratios, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. So first of all, calculate these 3 ratios, and after the calculating these 3 ratios, observe that. ठीक है? Observe the situation. Clear? So इस वीडियो में इतने रखेंगे और बाकी डिस्कस करेंगे हम इसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में with the next topic, next new problem. Clear? So if you have any problem, any doubt, any query, then you can share your problem with me on a WhatsApp or by call, and you should complete your work day by day.